You've rendered your map and you want to publish it on the workshop. Depending on what you've made, you might not need to do all these steps. Jump to the sections you'd like to see in this video's description. Building cube maps. If you have cube maps in your level, this next step will bake reflections from these spots into your map. And if you haven't got cube maps, what's wrong with you? Every map needs cube maps. Add them at once, and then follow this step. Before loading CSGO, right-click on it, Properties, Set Launch Options, and type -insecure. Now load CSGO and your map. Once your map is loaded, open the console and type sv_cheats1 building_cubemaps1 followed by build cubemaps. It will do this to every cube map location in your map. These are the reflections that you'll see on shiny surfaces and in weapon scopes. You can now remove that insecure thing from your CSGO's launch options again. Bot support. CSGO may be a multiplayer game, but I think support for bots is essential for any map hoping to become popular. By now your map may already have them included, but it's best to refresh it for the latest version by typing nav_generate into the console. The game will go all slow for a while. It used to show a nice little loading bar as it did this, but now you'll only be aware it's happening if you press the console button and read the text inside. In short, once this is done, the map will reload, and if you can play it with bots, this stage is done. Well done. Take screenshots of your map. Make sure they're from the prettiest locations. Good screenshots will get people to play a bad map, and bad screenshots will stop people from playing a good one. Here are some console commands that I find useful. Just fly about your map and press F12 to take screenshots. I recommend taking somewhere between 6 to 12. Attaching custom stuff. Steam Workshop will automatically attach your map's radar, cube maps, bot support and stuff like that. But if you're using any custom textures or models, you need to add them to your map file for other people to be able to see them. If you're only using stuff already included in CSGO, then you can just skip this step. But if you have custom stuff, download VIDE. Click on this icon called Pack File Lump Editor, click Open, find your map file, click Scan, browse to find the CSGO directory, click Scan again. This will take a while. Then once it's found everything, click Auto, Apply, Save. I have never needed to do more than this, but maybe if you have some particularly exotic custom stuff, then you may have to manually add them using this program. If so, good luck. It goes without saying that if you render your map again, you will have to repeat this step. Publishing your map. Open the console, type workshop_publish, click map on the side, click add, and just fill out all of this information. The preview image will be what's shown on the workshop, so make sure it's the best picture of your map. You can add the other screenshots later. Tick all of the game types this map will work with, find your map's BSP file, tick the I have read the workshop FAQ button, after reading it of course, click publish, type I understand, if you understand it, and your map will be published. Your map will now have to go through a manual approving process where Valve makes sure you've submitted a map and not just a scam of some kind. Who knows how long this process will take. And then after this, it will show up on the workshop. While you're waiting for this, you can add all the screenshots of your map by going to your profile, workshop items, find your map, click Add, Edit Images and Videos, and then add all of the screenshots that you took of your map to promote it earlier. I'd also recommend adding a radar overview, because it's always nice to see this. It shows you're taking map making seriously. Updating your map. Every time you want to make a change to it, go through the stages in this video again. The only difference being that, instead of adding a new map to the workshop publish page, you simply click on the map you want to update and click edit. Choose the new map file, add any changes you've made to this section here, agree to everything again, and it will be updated once it's manually approved.